IDM, Internet Download Manager, is a popular software that significantly improves the download speed and efficiency when managing files from the internet. It is known for its simple interface, easy setup, and powerful features that enhance the overall downloading experience. One of IDM's standout features is its ability to accelerate download speeds. It does this by using dynamic file segmentation and multi-part downloading, which breaks the file into smaller parts and downloads them simultaneously, greatly increasing the download rate. This makes IDM particularly useful for large files or multiple downloads at once, ensuring faster results compared to standard download methods. IDM also provides a very convenient way to organize and manage downloads. It automatically catches downloads from most popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. You don't need to manually copy and paste links. IDM does it automatically. You can also schedule downloads, pause and resume them if needed, and even prioritize certain files to ensure they finish first. Another useful feature is the ability to handle different file types, from video and audio to software and documents. IDM integrates well with streaming platforms, allowing you to easily download videos from sites like YouTube, Vimeo, and many others. It supports multiple formats, so you can download exactly what you need without worrying about compatibility issues. IDM also offers built-in error recovery and resume capabilities. If a download is interrupted due to network issues, power failure, or other reasons, it will automatically resume from where it left off without needing to restart the entire process. This saves time and frustration, particularly when dealing with large files.